Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to convert textbook into notes using Claude. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to convert textbook into notes using Claude, all you gotta do is simply go to Claude. Once you're in your Claude AI, you must first digitize the content and then use specific prompts to guide the AI's output. Claude can process large amounts of text up to approximately 350 pages per interaction. So first of all, you need to digitize the textbook like PDF or EPUB, and you can upload it to Claude by tapping on the plus mark. Once you have done this, you need to break up content if necessary. Once this is also done, you need to prompt Claude for notes. You need to provide clear instructions on the format and content you need, and then you can refine the output as per your need. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.